Hello everybody, welcome to another episode. It's not Game Bro shit, it's Telltale. Playing Telltale Tuesday.
Woo!
Heavy rain.
Woo!
I'm the girl and the detective.
Woo!
Eric is Ethan Mars. I'm this guy. And we're doing a game. Thursday. No, it's Tuesday, silly.
Dumbass.
Silly. Go check us out. Oh man, we look so determined. Alright, anyway. Let's open up my fucking house.
I got pon stuck in my head.
Because we just did that shit.
I'm sorry, Scott.
Whoa, what?
You should have
Whoa!
listened to me,
Yeah.
Mr. Shelby.
This shit is
Whoa, it's this guy.
Investigation.
The guy we
Your
went
son
golfing
is a
with.
serial killer. How many people does he have to kill before you turn him in?
Gordy has his faults, but he's
You
still
always
my
have
son.
I didn't realize, no, we have.
You have no children, Mr. Shelby. You can't possibly understand.
Oh, jeez.
You leave me no choice. Your investigation is over.
Oh, he just
For
beat
good.
me in the fucking
You are
head.
good.
Do you think Lauren did it? Do you think she sold us out? Did Lauren sell us out? It's us. Of course it's us. Oh, fucking bitch. They tied us to the car. And Lauren's tied up! Ah, fuck that. Fuck that noise.
You're underwater.
In my car?
Not that car.
What a dick move.
Lauren!
Alright, she's
Lauren,
not
wake
waking
up.
up, bro. She's not waking up, bro. Alright, get this shit.
What I thought would be a in a car.
Alright, not doing that shit. Oh, we're gonna break the glass. Oh, that's so smart. Don't care, Eric. Eric, this is too damn high.
No, I thought you were gonna cut the rope.
Oh, God damn it. Oh, God damn it.
Alright, just do that. Did we not cut it? Okay, we did. Alright, get Lauren out. Get Lauren out. No, fucking, we're getting Lauren. We're getting Lauren. Get your boat hat. Oh, no way. I'm not beating out the fucking window. Lauren, wake up.
Lauren, wake up! Lauren!
Fucking, I'm not leaving her, man. Oh. Oh, God. There's water pouring in. I'm helping Lauren no matter what. Like, that's not happening. Okay. No. Fucking. Smack that bitch! Alright, let's get her out. Smack! That didn't work whatsoever. Alright, let's try it again. Smack! Lauren, you better wake up right fucking now. Alright, get her out. Get her out with you, Scott. Scott, no! Scott! Okay, got her.
I'm in the ditch, Charlie. Oh, what a bitch.
Whoa! Fucking.
Go smash it through
Ah,
the
we
window.
didn't turn on the timer. Yeah, but we need 10-minute episodes. That was probably like 10 minutes. Damn. 10 minutes from now. It'll be an extra long episode because we're stupid. Hey, we saved Lauren! We saved
Come
Lauren!
swimming again. This isn't exactly what I had in mind.
Ah, Scott, you.
You got a car back at your place? Mine's obviously pretty fucked up.
Ah, shut
Yeah,
up,
sure.
Scott.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna go settle a few scores. Come on, I'll take you home. Oh, lock your doors and windows and don't let anybody in but me.
No shit.
Okay.
You fucking.
Don't let anybody in
Be
anyway.
careful, Scott. I don't want to lose you.
Oh, I don't want to lose you either, Lauren. God, I love Lauren. That's very loud. Smack the shit out. Smack that smile right off your face. Is it me again?
He's gonna fry me.
Crap, motherfucker! Some. Oh, we love puns.
Totally messes it up.
Crap, motherfucker! All to fry me.
Cross so hard.
Cross so hard, motherfuckers want to fry me. That shit cray. That fish cray. That fish cray. That fish cray. Cross so hard, motherfuckers want to fry me. Whatever.
I'll use a
Hey, swimming
you
instructor.
math. You can with your calculator.
That's actually your calculator. Oh, do I have your calculator? Oh, I stole a calculator from my locker. It just showed up on the desk. Yeah, it's just rev the engine. BAM! Alright, sorry, Lauren. We kind of beat the shit out of your car. Whoa! What the fuck? Shelby, you're insane. This is Lauren's car. It's a fucking rental, and we have a gun. Oh god, this is pretty high octane. Whoa! We just shot that guy. Bam!
Where are we?
Bam! We're at that guy's mansion that we were playing at before. Remember that? Bam! Pop! Pop, pop! Papa John's! I fucking can't wait till we play, zombies later? I'll record it, maybe. No, I won't. I want to get the real Bandicam before we actually do that.
It's so hard to do it.
What?
The zombies.
Oh. Yeah, with the mouse. Ha. Really? Doesn't change your weapons? Oh, if you click it in, okay. God, we're a fucking beast. We have a 45 caliber pistol. This guy's a lot of higher goons. Oh! Oh! Yeesh. This got shot, man. Good thing he was in my bad shoulder. Ha! Mother Johns.
Papa John. No.
Stay back! Don't come near me, or I'll shoot!
That's a pretty pussy
Or
pistol.
I'll shoot you in.
Fucking asshole.
Please, don't.
Ha! What were you gonna say? Yeah, what were you gonna say, bro? I thought he was gonna rape him. He was like bending him over the desk and shit.
Your idiot son killed all those kids, didn't he? He's the origami killer.
Probably.
No, no, he's innocent. He's not a killer. Not a killer.
Ha! Roman is fucking late. I was gonna say light, I said lamp.
You're a fucking liar. Now tell me the
Come here, John! Where are they?
Don't hurt me.
Dude, we
Last
fucking are
chance.
hurting you.
I don't know. I swear. I don't know anything.
That's pretty different from what you were saying before! I'm not gonna kill him though.
Stop. Stop. I beg you. I'll tell you.
Why would I?
I'll tell you everything.
Oh, he didn't even give me a choice.
Gordy always wanted his fun, you know. He wanted to be like the origami killer. He kidnapped that kid and he held him under the water for a little too long. It was an accident. An unfortunate
That's a pretty
accident.
bullshit, like, excuse.
He just wanted to play. He told me everything. He was crying. He was so sorry for what had happened.
I don't know if they can hear you.
Whatever he did.
I know, but
Gordy-
you're pretty far back.
Gordy is my son.
That's nice and all, but... Machine.
No one will miss him.
What? He
That
fucking
boy,
said-
Gordy killed. No one will miss him. The street trash.
Oh,
so many
this
others.
guy's dead now. Fucking...
Kill him.
You
I'm
disgusting
street
pile of
trash.
shit.
Who are you fucking... Oh, I'm not street trash.
So they're saying no one will miss Ethan.
And what about John Shepard? Why did you put flowers on his grave?
I own the construction site where he died.
He's an asshole.
Dude,
I
just
never
totally-
forgot.
No one's gonna miss that.
I've been putting
Oh, I
flowers
know
on
he's
his
gonna miss
grave
that
for 30
poor
years.
child.
Well, maybe his father would.
John had a twin brother.
Shit.
What happened to him?
I don't know. He was adopted, I think. His mother should know. Her name is Anne. Anne Shepard.
Really? Anne Shepard? The mother of John Shepard?
It says it means for Shepard.
My heart.
Ah, you're dead, bro. That's a pretty bad time to have a heart attack.
I need my pills. In that drawer. There.
Fuck you, man. I'm not.
So wait till you see that before you die. Leave.
Hold on, I want to see what Shelby's thinking.
I'm no better than him if I let him die.
That's a good point.
Fucking bastard. Let him die. I can't let him die, even though he deserves it.
Right.
No.
He's right, man.
Let him die. Let him die. It's taunting with the bill.
Yeah, I'm just gonna swallow my. Oh, can I? Can I really? Later, bro.
Leave.
Shelby! Come back! I fucking order you! Come back!
Leave the bill.
I'm still holding the pills. He's still his arm crooked like this, like he's holding the pills.
Oh, that's great. I just fucking knew again.
Yeah! I got all the good
I'm not gonna be able
parts.
to play all episodes.
Fucking who cares?
Oh,
Maybe you shouldn't have killed Jaden.
I'm jumping up the window.
Maybe you shouldn't have killed one of your guys. It was Mad Max killed you at the construction site. How many feet are in an inch? So it's only 4 inches. It's only 4 inches high though. 4, just 4. That's like not even a foot.
It's a quarter of a foot.
Hello,
Like,
I'm
why
looking
is
for
that
Anne
kid
Shepard's
drowning
room.
with 4 point?
Please sign the visitor's
something?
book.
Maybe it's feet.
You have 4 inches.
You know, maybe it's feet.
Are you a member of the family?
That's fucking like
Yeah,
ankle
you
high.
could say that.
Oh, she'll be pleased to have a visitor. No one ever comes to see her. With the Alzheimer's, she has trouble remembering things, but it'll still
Wow.
please her. You know. It's room 19 at the end of the corridor.
Oh, thank
Thank
you.
you.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
I don't know.
Are you a little giggly today?
Bored.
Well, maybe you shouldn't have killed her.
I probably shouldn't know. You're right.
Maybe you should have been a better gamer, you know? I let you play the Stomping Land.
Excuse me.
I let you play the Stomping Land.
Calling me a bad gamer.
Look at that ass. I am so glad that my girl didn't
I
die.
got naked. I'm sorry.
Look at her! Well, how is
The amount
that?
of times I've rewatched that. No, I'm joking.
Okay.
Watch it right now.
I'm not misogyn. Okay, can I get deep for a second? I'm not misogynistic. I'm really not.
What's that mean?
It means I'm not like sexist against girls.
God
Like
damn it. Sorry, I just got posted 3 trophies on.
you're playing Clash of
I'm
Clans.
farming and getting ready
What room did you say? Was it 18 or 12?
for what?
For fucking what's her face?
Even.
Oh jeez. I think it was 18. But I'm not misogynistic. Like I get girls want to have powers or whatever. Like power. You're not sex toys, but come the fuck on. You're hot. She's hot. Look at that ass. Look at that ass. And you pass that up as Ethan.
Hello, Mrs.
You passed
Shepherd.
it up.
I didn't.
Yeah, you did. You
Is
were
it
like,
time for my
fuck
pills
you,
already?
bitch. You spied on me.
No, Mrs. Shepherd,
They're never on time with my pills.
Oh,
I don't
hey.
know what they
End of
do
episode.
here. In the other hospital, they were always on time. But here,
What'd you call that episode?
I don't even know if it's up yet.
What?
My name
No,
is
it's probably
Madison
up. Check.
Page. I'm a journalist. I'd like to ask you some questions about your son.
I don't like this hospital. The food isn't very good, you know.
No, extra shit was
Bleeped out shit. Did you do that on purpose?
what?
Did you bleep out the shit or did you did?
No.
You didn't do it?
Oh wait, I probably did. Oh hey,
You guys.
next time on Telltale Tuesday, Eric might get to play.